TV Premtobre Kasee na Oshano. Yamampeni na Adom Akufo-Addo akasetia coup ene sedie ye atake ebibraman tichu ne nkuma mu no. Na mienimu ni nyade se twaye ne koyi Adom Kasee etwaso.
Ghana mampanyin na Adom Akufo-Addo akasa de tia sedie ama hodo bi a wo wiasa fanemu ena asoma hoba mponsemo fomuninti no empendodo na ne nipakuo bi eto hye wo so eye bo ma yakayaka de sanso no kasa ye de tia aban tugu ahodo a ekoso e West Africa aman ne bi emu na o kire se ba ne sana eye de how e break be ma menka bia memu eno nti odinkrai mane ama hodo a wo wiasa fane nyina mu enkanka ene Commonwealth nations no se won fa ne die ni obu ema wo ho na bi onso so won nyina hwa asie nkasantia ento hyeso a ekoso e wa aman ne bi yeso.
Terrorism and violent extremism remain phenomena that threaten our very existence as individuals and collectively as nations. According to the 2023 Global Terrorism Index, terrorism has turned deadlier, with lethality up by 26%. We have in recent times witnessed terrorist attacks at the hearts of our neighboring countries like Mali, Burkina Faso, and Niger. A terror attack on citizens in one part of the globe affects citizens of other parts in view of the multicultural and interconnected nature of our world. Combating terrorism requires a coordinated effort by all nations and stakeholders. Parliaments can contribute to that effort in combating terrorism through the enactment, for instance, of strong legislations that curtail cross-border movement of illegal firearms and impose heavy sanctions on offenders.